Here's how to make chocolate-covered strawberries for Valentine's Day.
So this recipe is really easy. You're going to need some semi-sweet chocolate chips, some strawberries, coconut oil, and white chocolate chips if you want. So take some parchment paper and go ahead and put it on a baking tray. You're going to need 2 cups chocolate chips and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Put that in a bowl and toss it in the microwave for 30-second intervals. And between each of those intervals, you're going to mix the chocolate until it's a liquid. And now we have our strawberries, and we're going to go ahead and take the first one, and we're going to dip it right in the chocolate. And we're just going to get it coated as best as possible, like that. And then we're going to place it on the parchment paper. These are really easy to make, but we're going to separate them out a little bit, so if any of the chocolate runs, they're not touching each other, and it makes it really easy.
All right, let's get these into the fridge.
So I went ahead and refrigerated these for about 10 minutes, and during that time, I went and melted some white chocolate. The white chocolate's completely optional, but we happen to love white chocolate, and so I wanted to add a white chocolate drizzle to the top of the strawberries. It makes them prettier and it stands out more. And once those were done, I went ahead and put them back in the refrigerator.
All right, so these are done refrigerating and they're ready to serve. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow so you can see more content like this.